Changing your oil filter seems like a rite of passage for anyone who's vaguely interested in doing manly stuff. But for most people, it's just a mess waiting to happen. Turns out it's actually simpler than you think, if you follow the steps. The first mistake? Not letting your engine cool a bit. You want it warm, but not lava hot. About 30 minutes after driving is your sweet spot. That way, the oil flows out easily, but you won't fry your hands trying to drain it. Find your tools before you crawl under there. You need an oil filter wrench, an oil catch pan, a socket wrench, a funnel, and of course, a new filter and oil. It's always the one random missing tool that derails the entire operation. If you're not sure where the oil filter is, here's a cheat. Google your car's make and model with oil filter location. You'll get about 17 YouTube videos in 0.3 seconds. Trust me, that 2-minute search saves you 20 minutes of aimless squinting underneath your car. Jack up your car safely. Use wheel chocks and jack stands. Don't risk your ribcage to save $60 on an oil change. It's wild how many guys literally trust their skull to a half-working hydraulic jack from 1998. Don't be that guy. Slide your oil catch pan underneath the drain bolt and unscrew it carefully. Oil will come out faster than you expect. Miss the pan by an inch, and suddenly you're reenacting a scene from The Exorcist, just with used motor oil. While the oil drains, go ahead and locate the oil filter. It'll probably be black, cylindrical, and surrounded by enough grime to make you second-guess your entire life. Use your filter wrench to loosen it. Pro tip, have a rag ready. It still has oil in it. When the old filter is off, grab the new one and lightly coat the rubber gasket with fresh oil. This one little step prevents it from sticking too hard next time you change it. Skipping it practically guarantees a swearing spree next time you try to remove it. Hand tighten the new filter. You don't need some Gorilla Grip torque wrench action. Just make it snug. You're not building an aircraft engine here. Over-tightening can damage the gasket, or worse, strip the threading, which would basically ruin your afternoon in your car. Now replace the drain bolt, tighten it up, and start pouring new oil in through the filler cap. Use a funnel unless you're trying to create a Jackson Pollock piece on your engine block. Most vehicles take between 4 to 6 quarts, but check your manual because numbers do matter. Once it's full, run the engine for a couple minutes and check the dipstick. If it's in that nice, safe middle range, you're golden. Also, check under the car for leaks. Nothing brings the regret like realizing you've created an oil slick in your driveway. The first time I did this, I forgot to tighten the filter properly and had to clean up a crime scene's worth of oil. But after a few attempts, it's become second nature. Changing your own oil filter is one of those oddly satisfying adult flexes. Try it once. Just wear gloves.